Yeah.
Urgent weather message. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Huron County, Lorain County, southwestern Cuyahoga County, Medina County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles north of Wakeman and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Litchfield, Medina, Amherst, Wellington. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, and Medina. Urgent weather message.